Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about whether the particular number is going to be even or odd. So I'm going to take any number. So that number is going to be either even or odd. So to identify that, we are going to use bitwise operators, and we are going to check the logic first. Then we will write the program. Okay. So I'm going to take a number. So any number, let it take, the number is going to be, let it take, 1 second. So the number what I am going to take, the number it is going to be 10. Let it take, the number is 10. And what is its equivalent representation? It is going to be equal to 1010. So this is the binary representation. If it is 9, that is an odd number. What is its binary representation? It is going to be 1001. Okay, so like this, for any even number, the least significant bit is going to be 0. So okay, so the least significant bit is what? So I'm going to write in the short form LSB. So the least significant bit is what? 0 for any even number. Okay, remember, for any even number you will take, for any case, whatever the number you are going to take, write in your representation and convert into binary representation of any decimal number and check it out. Any even number, must and should, the least significant bit will becomes as 0. Similarly, for an odd number, the least significant bit is going to be what? It is going to be 1 for an odd number. Okay, now I am going to check whether this particular number is going to be even or odd. For that, just I am going to use an if else statement. So what I am going to do is, the least significant bit I will make AND operation with 1. Okay, so if I am having 10, so what is its binary representation? It is going to be 1010. Okay, so what is the 1 binary equivalent? The decimal number 1, what is its binary equivalent? It is going to be equal to 0000001. Is it right or not? Now I am going to do bitwise AND operation. Only I am going to check the least significant bit, the last least significant bit. Okay, so if I am going to do bitwise operation with this 0 and 1, what is the resultant? The resultant is going to be 0. Is it right or not? Yes. So if any number you are going to take, if I am going to do bitwise and with 1, if the resultant is going to be 0, if the resultant is going to be 0, then the particular number is going to be even number. Okay, similarly, if I am going to do an odd number, so let it take 9 only. Okay, so 1001. If I am going to do bitwise AND operation with 1, okay, so 1, if I am going to do bitwise AND operation, so what is the bitwise AND operation? If I am going to do, if I am going to do bitwise AND with 1, so the resultant is going to be 1 over here. Is it right? Yes or no? Correct. So like that, I am going to check only a particular number, whether that it is going to be 1 or 0, whatever it might be. So this number is going to be what? It indicates an odd number. Yes or no? Okay, clear. So the same operation, whatever the logic we have been told here, we are going to write a program. So now today we are going to use Python visualizer for writing this program, and I am going to write that in Python visualizer. Here I am going to write it in the Python visualizer. Okay, fine. So here I'm going to write int main operation, and I'm going to take a number int x equal to some 10. Okay, so if x and with bitwise and with 1 equal to 0, double equal to, why? Because we are checking that value whether it is 0 or not, yes or no. If x with 1 equal to 0, then the number is going to be what number? Even number. Okay, the number is even, otherwise else the number is going to be odd number. Okay, so I'm just checking the number with bitwise and with 1. Okay, bitwise and with 1, if that value resultant is going to be 0, if that least significant bit is going to be 0, then the number is going to be even, else it is going to be odd number. Okay, so here you can check it that, and I am going to check using visualize execution. Click on visualize execution and you will get the resultant over here. Okay, print output here I am getting now, and okay, I will minimize it so that you will get clarification. Oh, and I am going to do compilation over here step by step. So if I am clicking on next, x value is going to be assigned to 10 and it is in stack segment. And if x and with 1 equal to 0, if this condition, if condition is going to be true, so therefore printf the number is even, it is going to be printed. So see here the output printf, print the number is even is printed. So it and it is coming out of the main function. Okay, so if I am going to change the value, maybe x equal to some 10, in the place of 11 I am going to change, then what is the resultant I am going to get? So you will check it out here, int x equal to 11. So as the least significant bit equal to 1 over here, the if condition is not going to be true, therefore the number is odd is going to be printed. So check it over here, the number is odd is printed. So this is a very simple easy program, and most of the interviews the interviewer is going to ask the question to identify whether the particular number is going to be even or odd using bitwise operations. Okay, so I think all of you understood this simple program, and thank you for supporting me to do much more videos. And if you like it these videos, please like it and subscribe the channel. Thank you.